everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all super well today. I have a sparkly makeup tutorial for you guys. Well, another one, because I seem to be doing a lot lately, but that's because they are my favourite looks. It's the party season, it's New Year's Eve soon, it's Christmas soon. We need to go all out with the sparkle. So today I'm going to be creating a Christmassy glam look. I'm going to be using like bronzy kind of golds, greens, reds, proper Christmassy colours, and I really hope you enjoy this tutorial. I've already started with my base on, which I've used the Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Longwear Liquid Foundation in shade 4.0 and the EX1 Delete Fluid Concealer Full Cover. This little concealer is unreal. Highly recommend it if you like proper full coverage. It's really thick and I love it. It's a little new one that I found recently. And then I finished off my base with the MAC Studio Fix powder in shade NC35. Right, let's get going with the tutorial. I really hope you enjoy it.
In this girl next door, when her parents went out, she first said, hey boy, come on right around. So I knocked at the door, you were standing with a bottle of red wine, ready to pour, dressed in long black satin, reached to the floor. So I went in, then we sat down, started kissing, closing, told me about jacuzzi, sounded interesting. So we jumped right in, all calls diverted to answer phone. I mean, me and her parents were kinda cool, but they were the fine line between me and you. We were just doing things young people in love do. Parents trying to find out what we were up to, saying, why were you creeping round late last night? Why did I see two shadows moving in your bedroom light? Now you're dressed in black, when I left you were dressed in white. Can you feel me? Ready to answer phone. Red wine bottle, half the contents gone. Midnight return, jacuzzi turned on. Can you feel me in? 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 I was checking this girl next door, when her parents went out, she first said, hey boy, come on right around. So I knocked at the door, you were standing with a bottle of red wine, ready to pour, dressed in long black satin, reached to the floor. So I went in, then we sat down, started kissing, closing, told me about jacuzzi, sounded interesting. So we jumped right in, all calls diverted to answer phone. I mean, me and her parents were kinda cool, but they were the fine line between me and you. We were just doing things young people in love do. Parents trying to find out what we were up to, saying, why were you creeping round late last night? Why did I see two shadows moving in your bedroom light? Now you're dressed in black, when I left you were dressed in white. Can you feel me? Ready to answer phone. Red wine bottle, half the contents gone. Midnight return, jacuzzi turned on. Can you feel me in? 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 Can you feel me? Can you feel me?
semi-finished look. What do you guys think? I'm literally loving it. I went for this wig just because I felt like my lime green hair was a little bit too much for this look, but obviously I've still got the lime green roots. I've still got an element of my fave hair colour in there at the moment, but it just works a little bit better. Also, I'm kind of loving this fringe, but it's funky that I can just kind of whack a fringe on with a wig, and then when I don't want it anymore, take it off. Yeah, I'm literally loving it. I feel like this is a proper Christmassy glam look, but I've given it a little bit of a Sophie twist with the green under the eye there. I love it. It's so fab. I'd love to hear what you guys think, so please leave your comments below. I've popped all links below to the products so you can shop this whole makeup look. Unfortunately, I don't have a link to the wig because I went to an event and they gave me a wig and I dyed it there and then. It was a Bleach London event, so the colour is Bleach London on it. If you want to check out their head, I'll pop a link below. But yeah, the wig, I mean, I buy my wigs off AliExpress. They're quite affordable actually for human hair wigs, so yeah, I suggest you kind of maybe look on that website. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I will see you guys here in another video very, very soon. Peace out.